first thing, very important, is makeup primer. 1 pump. And I just do it all over my face with my hands. And then step 2 is going to be, man, that feels so good, concealer. And so I'm just going to do that, there, here, a little triangle, down the nose, here, 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 here. And then I use my concealer brush, double-sided. I use that side to blend it. And I can't really see in here, so I might have to move over to the, yeah, okay. All right. Blend. And by the way, I don't know why you do this. I mean, I know why, but I don't know why in these specific places. Well, I guess I do. It's because they're darker and you want a more even skin tone. But I just figured it out from watching videos like this. Alright, now we take the CC cream, and this is what you were asking about. So, this little pea-sized amount, it's not very much, it's little, is what I put on my fingers, and then I dab my 2 hands together, and I just kind of like pat it everywhere. So I'm just patting it, and I have leftover on my hands that I wash off, and then I use the best brush on the planet, which is this one. Love this brush. And so I just blend it in with this brush. I used to apply it with just my hands, my fingers. So I just started doing this, and it's a total game changer. By doing this, I mean using the brush, and it really is a game changer. Like, I mean, I loved it when I applied it with my fingers, but it's just, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's such, I don't know, it just makes it look so much better when you're using a brush. And plus this brush feels so good, so it's like petting yourself. It's all part of the pampering facial process. Anyway, so that was what I wanted to show you for today. And we can do full face if you want, whatever. You can come over, but anyway, so CC cream, done. Voila.